a chemistry major and mathematics minor at Virginia State University, and I have also attended Western Washington University, which is in Bellingham, Washington, and I study marine biology. During my freshman year, during the summer, I was awarded the opportunity to study at VCU, Virginia Commonwealth University, through an REU program. I worked with Dr. Julio Alvarez, where I studied the behavior of buffers, and I studied the oxidation and reduction of thiols towards the potential development of cancer biosensors. So basically to detect when the cell is morphing and creating cancer behavior. During my sophomore year, I was able to get another REU opportunity where I studied at the University of Cincinnati. And at the University of Cincinnati, I worked with Dr. Anna Goodman's daughter and Dr. Bruce Oltz, where I studied the photocatalytic behavior of molecules, organic molecules, and towards the development of photoswitches. So through a cis-trans isomerization, we were able to create photoswitches and triggers. And I also worked on organic magnets. And it was a very in-depth process because it was a 4-step synthesis process. And going through NMR and purification steps, it was really intense, really intense. But I enjoy organic chemistry a lot. And here is just some data that I collected, and this is just showing the behavior of how long the molecule lasted. So it was on microseconds for the cis-trans isomerization. During my junior year, I was able to participate in MIMSA, and that's in Washington. So that's where I studied my marine biology. And I worked with Dr. Kathy Van Alstyne and Mary Ellen Salian towards the evaluation of macroalgae as an alternative fuel supplement. So basically, on the beach of Shannon Point Marine Center, there is an algae called Saccharina lactissima, and it's basically a sugar kelp. So it contains a lot of sugar molecules that we were able to ferment. So just like you would ferment beer or wine, we used the same process, and we used very high ethanol tolerant yeast called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And this is just showing my standard curve. Basically, we were able to generate ethanol, which was very promising, but these results are still preliminary, and more work is going to be conducted to get it together. But right now, I am a USRP intern at the NASA Ames Research Center, which is about a half an hour away from here. And I work with Dr. Jessica Keeney in the nanotechnology department, where I am fabricating and characterizing nanoporous alumina towards the application for biosensors. So this project that I'm working on will eventually be used on the International Space Station in space, which is really cool. And and right now we are collaborating with UC Santa Cruz. I had a meeting with him on Friday, and we are now we're working on actually the fabrication process. And the nanopores are about 20 to 30 nanometers in diameter. And we're using electrochemistry processes and scanning electron microscopy and atomic force microscopy as well. Some of my short-term goals is, since I haven't started my senior year yet, so because I've had to take 2 semesters off in the spring to participate in MINSUP, and now in the fall to intern at NASA. And my short-term goals is to finish studying for the GRE and to take the GRE, and to begin, I have already started applying for graduate schools and contacting an admissions office, and to graduate from VSU with honors. Some of my long-term goals is to complete graduate school, obtain a postdoctoral position, and find a job in academia, industry, or government. I haven't really decided yet, but I have plenty of time to do so, since I'm not even technically a senior yet, you know. So that's basically me.